mga ka-Chismis Trend! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Laman ngayon ng social media sila Alden Richard at Catherine Bernardo kung saan marami ang masayang fans dahil sa kanilang relasyon. Narito naman ang tila mensahe ni Alden at mukhang ito ang minahal ni Catherine Bernardo sa ugali ng isang Alden Richard. Let's watch this.
How do I cope?
Ayun pala.
Okay. Each individual has different sets of coping mechanisms. You know, I can't say that my coping mechanism can be your coping mechanism as well because we are all different. We are unique. I think that's one thing we should realize. Like in acting, for example. Ang daming methods of acting. You have Stanislavski, you have Chabak, you have Eric Morris, etc. But at the end of the day, based on my experience, whatever works for you po eh. And it's the same thing with coping with mental health. I mean, if you're really not in a good place, of course, you have to take care of yourself. Ako, dalawa lang talaga yung non-negotiable between sa recovery po ng mental health. Your faith in God. That's number one.
Word.
Yes, if all things fail, prayers won't. Diba? Parang kung tayo, we spend hours and hours on, watching social media, TikTok, etc., playing games, going out with friends. What's 10 minutes of prayer? When you wake up in the morning, you say a prayer, you thank God for waking you up again and giving you another day to be a blessing to your peers, your group. And then at the end of the day, another 10 minutes. Diba? Another 10 minutes to thank God that you were able to survive that day. I think that's a good practice. So, to keep your sanity.
Sure.
And then, the second non-negotiable, like what I've said a while ago, na at the end of the day, no one will help you but yourselves. Kasi personally, I came from a very bad place beginning the year 2023. I was also depressed. I was under anxiety. And all of these things I've learned by myself. Like for example, when you're down, you will call a friend, you will talk to someone. And all these people will do to you is, of course, since they love you, especially your family, they will give you advices or mga parang 'di ba sinasabi nila na papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na kami.
Listen to me, son. I've got something to tell you.
One thing I've realized is that madali pong magbigay ng payo, pero iba pa rin pag ikaw mismo yung naka-experience. That's a different thing.
And in the end of the day, it's you who's journeying.
Yeah, it's
right?
you. I mean, it's
like all the advice can be there,
yes,
but it's you.
It's you. So yun. When you're not in a good place, I'm sure each and everyone sa inyo or tayo po in general, we are always going through something difficult in life every day. So parang make sure that you know yourself very well. You know the things that makes you weak. And you know also your strengths, which is number one. And parang ganun. That's what I've realized, being able to recover from that moment. I didn't seek help from doctors or, I did my own way of recovery. It's like, jumping into the unknown. How do I recover from this? I feel bad. I always feel self-pity. Kawawa naman ako. I've done a lot of things, pero it seems like it's not enough. Yun nga, like, of course, we always seek approval. Do I always have to prove myself to people? I've been here in the industry for a decade. But all of those things are just, I'd really like to believe it's the work of the devil.
Hell, yes.
It's for us to be
We're
able
always
to feel that
embarrassed
way.
to talk about that. But
for us to be able to feel that way, tuwang-tuwa po ang mga masasamang elemento, especially the devil with that. Because, the devil is the king of deception.
right.
He will make us realize things, present things in front of us that might seem like this is us. But, yun nga eh. I mean, if we don't have faith, then those kinds of events and thoughts will consume us, and we don't want that. We want to be strong. Of course, we start with faith. That's your core. I think that should be our core,
Is, as you say, our faith.
our faith.
The
Number
one thing non-negotiable that you hold
Now
on to.
I know why you are doing so well.
Yes, thank
Because
you,
this
Ma'am.
guy makes sense. This guy is speaking from the heart, and I'm just so glad that you are using, like you said, use that platform. You can do a lot of dumb things and get away with it.
Yes, ma'am.
But anyway, congratulations. You deserve all of your success.
Yes,
Thank
po.
you
Can we
for...
flash a couple of questions? I think there are a couple of questions now. They're going to flash it here. Tama ba? There.
All right. Dun po sa first sentence, parang hindi na po ako pasok dyan. Okay, so
What are you saying about us? No, okay. All right.
Okay, na-hurt na ako.
Let me read that out. We
Yeah,
are
please.
young. We want to belong to today's way of life. How do we avoid the pitfalls and continue to be in? And again, this has a lot to do with what you were saying. The moment you step out of your house, there's 1,000 voices going, yay or nay. Right? So how do you deal with that?
this is a very interesting question because babalik ako dun sa sinabi ko po kanina, like every day we seek approval.
Yep.
So how do you parang train yourself not to seek approval? You have to know yourself, like what I've said also, your strengths and weaknesses, what makes you unique. You have to verbalize some things kahit sa harap ng salamin. You by those practices kasi sometimes kasi iba yung nasa isip lang po and iba kapag vine-verbalize siya. The power of words. And sometimes we always think na the power of words is just can affect someone. Yung like may kausap tayo or a lot of people like today. But iba rin kasi when you talk to yourself in front of the mirror. That's not insanity. Hindi kayo nababaliw at that point of view. But tell the good things about yourself. How do you know yourself? I'm like this. I'm a hard worker. People can rely on me. Things like that. When you verbalize that, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. So to avoid pitfalls and to continue, you should start with yourself. Know yourself. I mean, you have to make that conscious effort kasi no one will do that for you but you.
Right.
Yep.
I'll jump in and say that, that's actually humility, which is to know the gift that you are to other people.
Exactly.
Then
And to
the
live
being
that
in,
gift.
The being in comes naturally
Yes.
after that. Okay.
But
Okay.
isa rin pong, baka naman you do this, tas with your other friend, you say, I'm like this, that's arrogance na po, you don't do that.
Get the distinction, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 2. Can I read this? Do all young people who want only freedom, caught in cancel culture and hooked on social media suffer mental unwellness? How about adults? Ayan.
This is it's a pretty big question.
I'll give you one good example, which is bashing and cancel culture sa atin, like what the question insinuates. When way back 2016, I think that was social media has been around and it's very accessible. We are easily judged. A lot of people can make assumptions. And at first, of course, I'm very much affected because my image was being tarnished. We were accused of selling drugs.
Okay.
My family was accused. And, yung gender preference ko was questioned as well.
Okay.
So, all of the things like that, hindi mo pwedeng parang hindi valid yun sabihin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Wala yan, bashers lang yan, trolls, paid, whatever.
Right.
But
you still
kasi-
feel it.
Yeah, but the effect of
You
it,
still feel it.
sometimes, I guess, yun din also yung iwasan natin to avoid insanity is we bottle up emotions. Farmers, that's what we call them. Or what we call farmers. We farm negative emotions. And then,
They come out.
And then we just leave it to our subconscious.
Yeah.
But, syempre, lahat po ng naiipon, napupuno. Sa sobrang pagtitiis, pag napuno kayo, you tend to be someone you're not.
Yeah.
And take it from me. I've been like that. Ito lang. I was able to say things na hindi ko inakalang kaya kong sabihin. I was able to do things as well na hindi ko akalain na kaya kong gawin. But yun, having someone but I'm encouraging everyone, start with the family.
Yeah.
Let that change start within you if you want to see change. That's what I'm really trying to say.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you very
What a
much.
wonderful message. Thank you so much, Alden. We are so graced by your presence. And we're, again, let me repeat that I think this is the best use of your platform.